Hi all, today we are going to see one React application. So in this application I have posted some images, some travel images. So how we are going to post these images in our application with some animation work. So when I click this image, so it got zoom into some percentage. See, you can see that zooming effect. So how to arrange in a section. So in the first section I have arranged two images and followed by in the second section I have arranged three images. So in this way, how to arrange the pictures with some effects and the titles, today we are going to see. Let's get started. I have opened the sample React app. So first I have imported React and followed by React DOM, and then in app.js I have given the content. So here I have printed hello and it got replicated in our page. So hello. So I'll show the structure of the file. So here we are going to create a file card.js, card.js and card.item.js and card.css. From in the components I have created these three files. So first we are going to type in card.js. So I'm going to use the short form RAFC. So here we will create using function. So I'm going to import. So the function or class name should be starting with capital letter. So here I will print hi and we need to export the function. Export default and our function name card. So in app.js I'm going to import this one. So it got automatically imported. So it got imported from Bootstrap. So I have imported the cards from the components and then I have given cards. So here the content has been printed. See. So now we will start coding. So I will give the class name as cards and followed by a card container. So here we will give h1 tag, that heading. So I have given the heading here and followed by, so we will wrap all the images. So I will give the class name as cards wrapper, cards wrapper, and then here I will give one unordered list. So inside this unordered list we will pass each an image as a list item. So class name, cards, items. So instead of giving each and every time as a list item, so here we will use this card item here. So import React from React, function. I'll give the name as card item. So I'm exporting this one. As insisted before, like our class name and function name, everything should start in caps letter. Card item. So we can see our text here. So if we are giving in card item something, see we got that card item text also hello. So we can start typing in card item. So I'm giving the class name as card item, and then like before getting started you just type this command like npm install react router dom, so that we can use this link here. So if we are using link here, so we should add router also here in our app.js. So we are importing router here, import we will change this div to router. Browser router, R should be in caps. For link we should add two. As of now I will give as an empty link. So now I am giving the class name as card item link. So inside link I am giving the property as here. This is for CSS purpose. So as of now I will give it as empty. So I will give it as a travel. Class name as so we have given image also. So after completing this link we will give some text. So I'm giving here div followed by class name as card item info. So we got our image and then the text as travel images. Now we will insert all the images here. So we are going to pass the image to this card item by using props, React props. So we will give here props. Props. We will actually pass all the information by using props. So here I am passing source as an empty string. We will insert all the images now and then text. So I've given some props and now I will insert some images here. So copy paste all the image links. So first so what is the name we have given here? SRC. So props.src. And then remaining props, text and label. So text we will give here as our image text. Props dot text and label in data category. We will check our images. So image it should be given in parenthesis. Yes, we got our images. And remaining all the styling work, and we can replicate this card item here. See, we can change the image to, see, our image and followed by our image text and the second image. So like that we can give how many number of images should be included. We can replicate this card item, no need to write the entire code. So we can reuse this list item n number of times. So now we start coding the CSS part. So before getting started, from our app.js, I have included index.css, same like box sizing as border box, margin 0, padding 0, and font family I have given like this. So in our card.css, first I will give padding as 4 rem and the background color is white. Align items center, justify content center, and then next one our h1 tag. H1 tag should be in the center. So h1 text align center, and then I'll give some margin bottom 24 pixels. Next one is cart container. We can copy all the classes. So I'll give the important property display flex, align items center, justify content center, and I'll give width as 100%, margin is 0. Next one is card wrapper. I'll give position as relative. Why? Because if we are giving some text above the image, so it should be relative, and then followed by margin. So top will be 50 pixels and right side will be 0 and bottom 45 pixels. Cards items. Margin bottom same as 24 pixels. I think the card.j is completed. Next followed by card items. So we need to import our CSS file. So card item. Display flex, and then I'm going to give the equal spacing for all the images. So I'm giving flex as 1 followed by margin. Top and bottom will be 0 and then left and right will be 1 rem. Border radius 10 pixels. Next one is card item link. Same display flex, and I will give the flex flow as column. Width will be 100%, and I'll give some box shadow. So the vertical and horizontal positions will be 0 pixel and 6 pixel. And the blurriness of the box will be 20 pixel, and I'm giving some color also. RGBA of 56. One 25 to 55. I'll give the border radius 10 pixel and overflow as hidden. Text decoration none. The next one is card item wrap. So here also I'm giving the position as a relative. 100 percentage, and I'll give some padding top. So here we are going to give this property as data category. We are going to include it. So card item wrap, after on the content it should get from the attribute data category. So the content which we have given in that data category value, for that we are going to write the CSS. This is going to be the position as a relative, so it will be like on the top of the image. So position as absolute. Bottom 0, margin left 10 pixels, so now we are writing the CSS for this adventure. So it should be of position absolute, and then we can give some background color for this. Margin left 10 pixels, and then padding 6 pixel and 8 pixel, and I'm giving maximum width. I'm going to calculate on total minus, I will give 60 pixels, and font size will be color white, and background color box sizing border box. See, we got the adventure as like this. So next, the CSS for image. The image position is also relative absolute. First, for the div, everything we have given the position as relative. So now we are going to fix this image on that div. So we are giving position as absolute. So top will be 0, bottom. So it should correctly fix on that div area, and then right 0, left is also 0. Display block, align items, center, justify content, center, and I'm giving the width of 100% and maximum width 100% and height 100%. maximum height of 100%. Object fit cover, and then for that animation part I will give transition all 0.2 second, and then I will give linear. We can apply some hover effect for this one, card item image. So when we hover that image, we should that object should be like image should be in the zooming scale. So I'm applying transform scale of 1.1. So this is for the text which we have given below that image. So card item info, the padding should be 20 pixels at the top, 30 pixels at the right, and bottom of 30 pixels. And the text font size 18 pixels, and then followed by line height. So the text should be of equal spacing, so I'm giving as line height as 24 pixels. So this is how our image looks like. So for media screen we will write media screen 760 pixels. So already we have given like display flex property for our card items. So here we are going to give width as 100% when the screen length has been reduced, and then the flux direction will be of column. We are going to apply some margin bottom as 2 run. This is how our our website looks, and then if it is in a mobile view, it occupies the complete 100%, and then this is how it looks. So we can include the remaining images also. So for the first section we have given 2 images, and for the second section I wanted to give 3 images. To segregate the section, I am copying the complete unordered list and I am pasting here. I am giving 3 images inside this one. We have given that flex property as 1 so that it will occupy equal spacing for all the 3 images. So changing the image. So the first section has 2 images and followed by the second section has 3 images. And followed by the mobile view will occupy the total spacing 100%. So like this. So then again the third section should have 2 images and the image value is, so in this way we can include n number of images. The first section has 2 images followed by its value, and then the second section has 3 images and the third one followed by 2 images. In this way, like we can add like how many images we want, we can add with the same effect. So hope you all understand this one. See you in next video. Thank you.